Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So my last video was on top 10 Hindi web series which you can watch, and today's video is about top 10 English series which you can watch. Now all these English series are not web series. Some of these were telecasted on TV. But currently all those series I have mentioned are available on internet, either Netflix or Prime Video or Hotstar. So let's get going to the list.
So at number 10 we have Quantico. It's a thriller series based on the journey of a FBI agent, Alex Paris. There are total 3 seasons. The first season started with a bang. Although the rest of the 2 seasons was little slow, yet the story is very captivating. I feel this show is worth watching for our Desi girl Priyanka Chopra. The series is currently available on Netflix. At number 9, we have Vampire Diaries. The story revolves around a small town, Mystic Falls, and a group of people staying at that place, and how the life of those people are affected when some vampires arrive at their town, and slowly a lot of secrets started to unfold. The story has beautiful combination of romance, friendship, along with supernatural elements. There are 2 spin-offs of the series, Originals and Legacies, which is also worth watching. There are 8 seasons of Vampire Diaries, 5 seasons of Originals, and Legacy has 2 seasons and still going on. Both Vampire Diaries and Originals are available on Netflix, Prime Video as well as on Hotstar. Legacy is available on Prime Video. At number 8, we have Mortimer Gibbons' Life on Normal Street. The story revolves around a 13-year-old boy named Mortimer and his 2 friends, Ranger and Mel, who lives at Normal Street, but nothing is normal on that street. This is highly underappreciated since I feel even though it has been made for kids, yet it will appeal to all age groups since it will transport you back to your school days and time which was simple and innocent. There are 3 seasons in total. The series is a Prime Video original and is available on Prime. I have placed You at number 7. The series is about a sociopath, psychopath, obsessive lover, Joe Goldberg, and his twisted love stories. There are 2 seasons. Although the story of 2 seasons is very different from each other, yet the base is same and both the seasons have thrilling storyline. The strange thing is that you will both feel love as well as hatred for the main character Joe at times. This series is a Netflix original and more seasons are expected to come. At number 6, we have another Netflix original, 13 Reasons Why. There are 3 seasons in this series and more seasons are about to come. The first 2 seasons revolved around a girl named Hannah Baker, how she committed suicide because of few of her other classmates in the school Liberty High. The third season focuses on Clay Jensen and the rest of the students of that same school. Although a few people might find it a little disturbing, yet it is a highly captivating thriller with current social issues. At number 5, we have Stranger Things, another Netflix original on the list, which explores multiple genres like drama, horror, science fiction, as well as supernatural. The story is set in 1980s at a small town named Hawkins and the scientific experiments which go on in the town. The story explores the adventure of a group of children in exposing such horrifying scientific experiments. There are 3 seasons in the series and all are captivating with innovative storyline, and there are more seasons to come. If you love fantasies, you will definitely love this series. At number 4, we have Black Mirror. There are 5 seasons in the show and more seasons are expected to come. But each episode tells a unique story. The show explores the bad effect of the improvement of technology on the human lives. The growing dependence of men on social media, internet and technology can really prove to be fatal. Each of the stories is thrilling, innovative and highly interesting. It's a science fiction show with great messages establishing the fact that man and machine together can be really cruel. Although there are some feel-good stories as well, but most stories are dark. The series is a Netflix original. At number 3, we have Sherlock. This series is a fresh take on the world-famous detective Sherlock Holmes and his assistant Dr. Watson. The stories have been changed, keeping the original essence with the emerging technologies. Benedict Cumberbatch has done a wonderful job playing the titular role with his fast-speaking skills and witty appearance. The show is definitely entertaining, brainstorming, as well as captivating. There are 4 seasons, and although there is no official announcements yet, it can be expected that new seasons might come in future. Currently, the series is available on Netflix. Now, before I go to top 2, I would like to mention some series which are immensely popular, but I have not included those on this list since I haven't seen those. But you can try out and let me know how those series were. So, there is Breaking Bad, which is currently available on Netflix, Narcos, again available on Netflix, House of Cards, another Netflix original, The Big Bang Theory, which is currently available on Netflix, Lucifer, which is a Netflix original, and Modern Family, which is currently available on Hotstar. At number 2, I have Game of Thrones, one of the best show ever. The series have everything from thrill, drama, fantasy, horror, romance, revenge, and everything you could probably ask for. There are dragons, White Walkers, along with some spectacular war scenes. It is full of twists and turns, and you cannot expect what will come next. There are 8 seasons, and the series is currently available on Hotstar. I know some of the people were a little disappointed with the ending of the show, but still, this cannot take away its overall mesmerizing effect. Some people find it hard to keep up with the story since there are loads of characters, but once you start to enjoy it, you will wonder for what happens next, and slowly you will enter into the mesmerizing world of Westeros. I don't want to give many spoilers, and so to summarize the story, it revolves around an Iron Throne and how different players try to carve their way to that Iron Throne. At number 1, there is Friends. Now, I was really confused about which series to put at first spot between Game of Thrones and Friends, since both are my most favorite shows. Yet I put this on the first because, as I said earlier, some people might find it difficult to keep up with Game of Thrones story. But with Friends, that problem is not there. It's a happy-filled show and everyone will love it. It's a sitcom, and whenever you will watch it, there will be a smile on your face. It's about 6 friends and their day-to-day life. It has 10 seasons, and throughout those 10 seasons, the story captures the life evolvement of the main characters through 10 years. It is currently available on Netflix. Although it is a comedy, yet it explores some beautiful aspects of life and how life can be really simple with good friends around. It ended in 2004, but still you can find the show so relevant with the current time.
So that was the list for today. Let me know if you like it and the series which you loved or you don't like. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please put your comment because your comments are very valuable for me, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.